So this business makes the better goods produced in other countries available for consumption. Hence the people of one country enjoy a higher standard of living. We are now getting high technology goods from another countries also. So these are the major benefits of international business to our country. We are earning foreign exchange. We are making more efficient use of resources, more employment and growth opportunities, and increased standard of living. Now, what are the benefits of international business to the business firm? The following are the main benefits to the firms engaged in international business. Prospects of higher profit. International business is more beneficial than the domestic business, particularly when the domestic prices are lower. Hence, the firms can earn huge amount of profits by selling their products in the countries where prices are high. So if they want to earn more profit, they can sell their goods to the countries where the prices are high. So they will get more profits. Next is बच्चे increased capacity utilization. Increased capacity utilization. The firm who have surplus production capacity can plan overseas expansion. In this way, on the one hand, they can utilize their idle production capacity, and on the other hand, they can enjoy the benefits of large scale production. They can enjoy the benefits of large scale production. Okay, बच्चे. Then, prospects for growth. International business is a good option for the firms whose products start getting saturated in the local market. If our goods are not much popular in our local market, these firms can considerably improve prospects of their growth by entering into overseas market. If the goods are not much popular in our own country, we can go to another market. Way out to intense competition in domestic market. For the firms who are facing tough competition in the local market, international business seems to be the only way to maintain their position in the market. If they want to cater the competition in domestic market, they can go to international market. Then improved business vision. Vision means eyesight, business look, overview. Many firms aim at getting goodwill internationally. For these firms, international business is the only way to achieve this target. If we are dealing internationally, what will happen? Our goodwill will increase. The vision of people looking towards our company will be changed. It will be increased. So what benefits from international business firms are having? More profits. They can utilize their idle capacity. Prospects for growth. If they are not getting much popularity in local market, they can enter into international market. Then if they are facing a lot of competition in their local market, they can go to outside world. Improved business vision. So it will increase their goodwill also.